Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove a device from Google Find My Device. To remove a device from Google's Find My Device, go to your browser and search for Find My Device Google. Or you can go to the Google account security settings on any device, on any Google app, basically, or Google affiliated app, and you can locate the security settings. In my case, I already typed in the search bar Find My Device Google. Just go ahead and press it, and you're gonna select the device you want to remove. So let's say, for example, iPhone, this version, right? I can review the events and secure my account if there was a suspicious activity, or I can just hit sign out on your phone to delete the device, right? Once I hit sign out, I'm gonna remove the device from the phone, okay? Which signs it out of your Google account and removes it from the list, essentially making it gone from Find My Device. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.